my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and my new look, can you tell? Your girl is back with another TTDEYE colored contact review slash try on haul. They sent me 6 of their beautiful contacts and I am here to try them on so you can see how they look on my skin tone and just have a better idea of how these contacts look up close on dark brown eyes. You guys know that this is kind of what I do here on my channel and it's been a minute since I have done one of these reviews. So if you want to see the other color contacts that I've tried on from TTDEYE, I will post my playlist somewhere here on the screen so you guys can go ahead and check those out before you make your decision on their website. And don't forget to use my coupon code, that is key, for 10% off of your order. And also while you're at it, you know, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Stay tuned if you want to see my final thoughts and review at the end of the video, but without further ado, let's jump into it now. Alrighty, as you can see, the contacts came in this gorgeous holographic packaging. Inside are these 6 colorful boxes that hold our contact lenses, and each pair of contacts comes with its own case and applicator. So if you guys use applicators, it comes with it. And they love to throw in little gifts every single time. This time I got temporary tattoos, which I was really excited about, and this mirror. And before we get started with this try on, I just want to show you guys how my eyes look naturally. I have very dark brown eyes. A nice little close-up action for you. And yeah, now we're gonna get into the fun part. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this try-on portion, but I will say overall, I do think these contacts are totally worth the hype. They felt so comfortable. I personally think they looked natural, but I'll let you guys enjoy it for yourselves and let me know in the comments below what you think. Alright, so when I first put this in, this was a little uncomfortable. Notice I had the contacts on the opposite way. Super comfortable, and I think these are stunning. Like, excuse me, what did you say? for the try on portion. Now for my final thoughts. But before I jump into it, I really want to know which ones were your favorite contacts on me. It's always so hard for me to choose. I just feel like they all just look so good. So if you guys have seen my previous videos for TTDEYE, I think it's pretty safe to say I've tried on well over 20 contacts from them. Definitely well over 20. I haven't counted them, but you know what? I might do so after this filming this video. But with that being said, every single time I try on contacts from them, I honestly feel like they improve. Like, it looks, the contacts that I tried on, let me know what y'all think, but I feel like these looked so natural, even though you can tell, like, clearly this is probably not my natural eye color, but when you look up close, it just kind of like blends so well into my dark brown eye color. It doesn't look like, oh my gosh, those are contacts, like, girl, you know what I mean? Like, it just looks so beautiful and natural to me. I love them. And I also want to say that they feel very comfortable. Like, I've been wearing these for about 2 hours now, and it feels like my regular prescription contacts that are clear that I wear on a daily. And as you guys know, I say this all the time in every single video, but I truly cherish your eyes. You literally have one pair, okay, and that's it. So please always do your research. Don't just trust what I say. Do your research and make sure you properly know how to take care of contact lenses. I know how to take care of them because I've been wearing prescription lenses for years, and I like to stick to the point with these videos because I know a lot of you guys click these videos strictly to see how they look so you can make a decision and move on, you know? I've been there, I get it. But if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on like contacts 101 and like how I care for my contact lenses, let me know in the comment section below, because if you guys are interested, I will deliver, okay? So yes, if you know how to properly take care of and clean your contact lenses, they can last for a very long time. I believe some of them last up to 12 months. So overall, I was really pleased with these contact lenses that I tried on in this video. I personally feel like these are more everyday wear contact lenses. They aren't very much on the dramatic side that I typically try on here for you guys, but I like them. I think they look really natural and super cute. But if you guys want to check out the other ones that they offer on their site, go ahead and check my videos. Like I mentioned, I will link them on the screen and in the description box, just so you guys have a variety to choose from before making your decision. And don't forget to use my coupon code. I'm just trying to help you all out with 10% off of your overall order. That is key, is the code. And you guys usually ask me how long shipping takes. This last order was so quick. Like, I think it was maybe like a week. But I would say give it about 2 weeks for your order to come. But they're very quick, and overall, super pleased with this order. So if you guys have questions, drop them down in the comment section below. I'll get to you, and I'll see you guys very shortly in my next video.